how you can recover your deleted screen recording videos on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the thing that you need to keep in mind is that when you delete a video on your iPhone, it first gets stored in your recently deleted folder. So it is not completely deleted and it will get deleted in 30 days. So before the 30 days, you can recover the video anytime you want. So I'll show you guys how to do that. First, open up a photos gallery. And after you do that, go to albums. Now after you're on albums, just scroll down all the way down to utilities option. Now there you will see recently deleted. Tap on it and you might need to, just get your verification done. After doing that, you will see all the videos. Now you can select the videos that you want to recover and tap on this 3 dots on the bottom right and tap on recover. And after you do that, your videos will get recovered and back into your gallery. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and take care. Bye bye.